mag-helmet na rin. Mga ngayon pa rin.
So what's going on, May? She's gonna go drive my scooter?
No, I'm still here because my...
Yeah, I know you're two-thirds, but she's gonna drive the scooter?
Yeah, she's driving the scooter.
Oh,
and the
man.
Triggers.
So scooter rides today.
Yeah.
Okay, take one girl at a time. Okay, scooter rides up the street and down the street, 5 cents.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
Look at this.
Okay. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Here we go.
For adventure.
Adventure.
Adventure to Meron.
All right. She should go up the hill.
Yeah.
She should go left. All right. See what happens. What do you think, May?
I'm because my wisdom is getting pain.
Are you getting pain?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, take a pain pill, baby.
Yeah, pain to the little.
You're welcome. So what's going on here? Oh, your yard's coming up, back up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's getting back to green, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You're always smiling, May. You're always a happy camper. You know that?
Yeah. No, all the girls.
And then, yeah. There's May's. We got a new spot for the laundry. All right. So what else is going on here? I'm coming. That's as far as they went.
Yeah, the scooter is little heavy.
Yeah, it is. My scooter's overweight.
Overweight, yeah.
Look at Riza, what a champ. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, maybe I could take the video. I could take the camera with me. If she could drive. Yeah, let's do it. Come on, Riza, get pointed up the hill. You can drive me. See if you can drive my fat ass. Guess not. They changed their mind on that one. Where are they going now? Another day. You want to go for a ride, May?
What?
You want her to take you for a ride?
Yeah. You want for like ride? No.
No? All right. So that was Riza driving the scooter.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Good job.
Paul's scooter is very nice.
And super gay. All right, we'll see you next time, Riza.